Hi, I'm Miriam Kassar, and I'll be introducing this lesson plan on opposites from the Shemshi project, a topic and its words. This lesson plan is based on the association of ideas concept. I'll be using the books Here Comes the Sun and the workbook that goes with it. Through this lesson plan, the aim is to teach basic literacy skills of listening, understanding, and speaking. We'll start with the alphabet, then we choose a rhyme and the letter, and then we introduce some words, and those words we're going to put into opposites. We'll finish with a few sentences that we've made using these opposites. So we'll start with the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, for this lesson, we've chosen the letter U for umbrella, and this is the rhyme. I have a big umbrella which hides me from the rain, but when the sun comes out once more, I put it down again. The 12 words that I've chosen are these. We are going to put U and N, an, in front of the letter, in front of the word, in front of the word, so that we'll make opposites. Putting an in front of a word, prefixing an in front of a word, is one type of opposites. These are the words that I've chosen: lock, able, lucky, kind, loud, tidy, usual, do, fair, even, happy, and dress. So, as I've said, we're going to put them into opposites by prefixing letters an, U and N. So we'll get the words unlock, unable, unlucky, unkind, unload, untidy, unusual, undo, and unfair, uneven, unhappy, and undress. So these are the 12 words that we've chosen today that go with letter U. And last, with these words, I've made 12 sentences with these opposites, of which I'm going to read just 5. And this is the first one with unlock. So the young technician knew how to unlock every mobile phone. The second one with undo. To undo something is to put it back as it was. The third one, the students helped their untidy friend to clean up his study area. The bride and the groom chose an unusual venue for their wedding. And the last sentence that I'm reading today, the lady went to the dentist to fix her uneven teeth. So, to sum up our lesson, we've first started with the alphabet, then we continued with choosing a letter from the alphabet and the rhyme that goes with the alphabet, the rhyme that goes with the letter, and then we've read out the 12 words on the page. These 12 words that we've worked so that they'll become. These were the words in opposite. One type of opposite is prefixing un, so unlock, unable, unlucky, unkind, unload, untidy, unusual, undo, unfair, uneven, unhappy, and undress. Finally, we put those opposites into topic sentences so that we could further expand and discuss these topic sentences so that we will be able to gain the keywords that every topic has.